This how to 1 minute will show you how to send contact form 7 to multiple email addresses. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. Jump into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on Contact and click on Contact Forms. So here's I've already created a form and here is the form preview. Now I want to edit this form. So I'm going to clicking on Edit. Once you are in your Contact Form 7 editor, select Mail. And you will get here the to field. Now all you have to need just write here the email where you want to receive all mails. Now give a comma and space, then write a new email. So that's how you will be able to add multiple email addresses here. Just give a comma and space and then write your new email address. And then click on Save. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.